Aloha, party planners and beach lovers. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ultimate set for your Hawaiian-themed pool parties and summer celebrations. If you're looking to transform your backyard into a tropical paradise, look no further than these Hawaiian Luau party decorations. This comprehensive set by WHYMEO includes everything you need to create an unforgettable Hawaiian experience. From vibrant decorations to practical essentials, let's unpack what makes this kit stand out. Start with the eye-catching Hawaiian backdrop that sets the perfect scene for photos and ambiance. A 9-foot-long faux straw-colored grass table skirt adds authenticity to your luau setup. A Hawaiian plastic tablecloth completes the look while protecting your surfaces. Enjoy 24 cocktail straws with 3D decor and 24 umbrella food toppers, adding a festive touch to your drinks and snacks. 2 pineapple honeycomb decorations and 12 palm leaves bring a tropical flair to your party space. 24 artificial hibiscus flowers, 6 flamingo, and 6 pineapple cupcake toppers enhance your desserts with island charm. Dive into a sea of color with 55 latex balloons in shades of pink, green, hot pink, champagne gold, and rose gold confetti. The balloons come with everything you need for a stunning balloon arch, including dots, ribbon, and balloon chain. Each item is crafted with high-quality materials and features vibrant 3D printing for clear patterns and vivid colors. The faux straw table skirt attaches easily with self-adhesive Velcro, fitting standard-size banquet tables perfectly. Whether you're hosting a luau party, Hawaiian theme party, or a summer beach bash, this kit is your go-to choice for creating an immersive and festive atmosphere. It's perfect for birthdays, baby showers, family gatherings, and more. In conclusion, if you're ready to turn your backyard into a tropical oasis and host the ultimate Hawaiian party, look no further than these Hawaiian Luau party decorations. They're packed with everything you need for a memorable and vibrant celebration. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, mahalo.